In this magazine, you see this girl? This could be my leg, right? That could be me.
Why do a vision board? Well, girl, I'm glad you asked.
It's nice to have kind of your goals in front of you all year. So you're committing it to your subconscious, the things that you are wanting this year. One of the ways that I prep for doing my vision board, I don't do them until January. My church normally fasts, so I'm normally kind of fasting and praying and, you know, kind of doing a self-inventory as well on what things I want to accomplish this year. I like to get full of downloads before I put them on my board. So I'm about to get started here. These are the magazines that I am going to be including. I like to just get magazines. So whatever I'm drawn to on the shelf is what I'm pulling. Because I do like to travel. Because Zendaya's on it, Black Excellence. So these are the 4 magazines I will be using for this. Yeah.
Taking down my old vision board is a reminder of the things that are outdated, that I've already accomplished. It's like, yeah, girl, you did that.
This like greenery section was one of my favorite things about this board because I just really am into plants right now.
Here's my plant babies right here.
Caring for my plants actually has slowed me down and made me think about, okay, what in myself is growing, what should be, like what's dying, to make sure. It's like when I'm feeding my plants and tending to them, I'm also kind of thinking about myself as well. Now I may put some more flowery stuff up here, but it's time for some updates. Blank slate. Ooh, hurts my heart almost. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of these magazines and see what sticks out to me. Since I took so much time doing self-inventory, I just feel like when things stick out to me, like they matter. So one thing that I just got is about gratitude, which is something that I've been practicing. It says, be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never have enough. That's from Oprah. But I've literally been practicing gratitude. So what ended up being the magazine? Gratitude. It says, once you consciously seek things you are grateful for, you realize how much good there is around you. That's true. And I have a pile ready to create with. I feel like I cut out categories, but I'm not really gonna know until we see what sticks on the board. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. Probably not going to the mall. And now I want to paint, so I'm getting real reckless. Hopefully I get this done before my roommate comes back and realizes that I'm getting kind of reckless over here in this living room with this paint. So here we go. I just feel like I need to have what I want on here. I don't have it all from the magazine, so I'm making an entire white space so that when I put the pieces on, if there's things still missing, I can draw them in. Which is also the nice thing about a corkboard, is you can build onto it. So alright, so I just finished my vision board and I'm happy with it, but like At this point, I just clean up my apartment to trash it. It is organized, even though it may look like it isn't, but so I'll explain some of it, but preparation is my word for the year. What I'm preparing for, I'm not really sure, but that's like the main thing that God was kind of talking to me about in January for the year. So this left side is like my mindset kind of section. So it has gratitude, make yourself heard, word of mouth, the future is bright. This is just, I feel like in 2020, I really learned how important your mindset is, looking at things positively, but how you think and you process things makes all the difference. I'm really focused on gratitude this year and improving my mindset. This girl was on here last time. I told you I don't take everything off. Sometimes I keep the same things. The reason I really like her on here, it says queen, because does she necessarily have a crown on? No, but her posture to me and everything about her says like royalty, you know, whether I'm in sweats or whether I'm in heels and done up, like just to carry myself with some oomph. This is creativity. It's a quote by Maya Angelou. You can't use up creativity. The more you use it, the more you have. This is just encouragement to me. It wasn't until last year when I really looked at myself as a creative. So now I'm just embracing it more. I wanted to keep that on there. This is my little love corner. If you guys haven't seen Sophie's Love, it's amazing. I will watch that. Obviously, you know, wanna eventually have a little boo, little boyfriend, graduate to a fiance and a husband. I also put this quote, let self-love blossom, because the more that I love myself, you know, the more that I will be receptive to healthy love and like the right person too. So that's on there. Then I got my style section. You got Zendaya up in here, real fashion style, a girl with a girl. This section is because I really want to work on my style. Little by little, I'm kind of decluttering my wardrobe and getting things that I actually like. So even if it's more expensive, better quality, but less of it, I'm okay with that. I just want to elevate my style in general. And then yeah, so I feel like my board just really captures the things that I'm being drawn to, the things I want to develop more myself. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. Leave me some comments down below so I know if you guys end up doing your vision board, if there's any thoughts about this. Let me know. I would love to talk to you guys and see you know, what your year is gonna look like.